Yeah, now we go to discuss about engineering drawing materials. First one is a mini drafter, drawing chart, then drawing sheet A3, geometry box, pro circle, set square, clip, compass, eraser. Then this is one of the brush. Then after that, as a have a, as a last one is a have a different type of the pencil is there. First one is a HP H2H. You can see like that. Here is a mention for that H, then HP, then 2H. Then another one is a sharpener. Okay, this is a main engineering material tools. Okay, using this type of the tools to make a different drawing. Okay, then how to use the drafter? This is a mini drafter. This mini drafter to using remove this one. Okay, then after that to locating for the one right hand of the drawing sheet, left hand top to keep it on the drawing board to using for the tightening. Okay, please list this one to make a tightening to locate at the drawing board. This is moving for that entire drawing board. Then using this type of the scale to draw the vertical line, horizontal line. After that is a vertical parallel line, then vertical horizontal parallel line. Then here have a one protector is there. That protector using for that to make a different type of the angle line. Then easy to find out the angle also. Then now we go to that chart. Why using this chart means when you start the before the drawing, using this brush to clean the drawing board. After that chart will be keep it on the table. Okay, using hold on the this type of the clip. Okay, this clip to keep it on the this method to hold it for the drawing chart and drawing sheet. First to clean the drawing board using this brush or waste cloth. After to keep it on the chart on the surface of the drawing board. Next you can keep it on the drawing sheet. Next on the keep it on the A3 or A2 drawing sheet. Okay, using for the holding clips to hold the drawing sheet and drawing chart. Next we go to which one? Already I will be telling to you here edges. This edges to here 10 mm, here to here 10 mm, here to here 10 mm. Then here to this edges left side edges to start about 20 mm to 40 mm to make a margin to make a border here. Okay, then after that this is a compass. What is the purpose of compass? To make a circle. Okay, to make a circle is a above 16 mm diameter of the circle should be done in that compass. Okay, next one is a geometry box. Okay, is have a different type of the drawing instrument is there. This type of the instrument using to make a draw the different drawing is here. Divider is there. Here using for the one lead is there, that using for the lead to make a freehand sketches drawing. Then using for the compass to make a different type of the drawing should be done, different type of the circle should be done. Okay, using for this type of the geometry box. You didn't have a geometry box. Mainly you using for this compass is a very important tool for the drawing material. Okay, you didn't have this one means you directly to bought this one, this type of the compass to using to make a circle. Then next we go to the pro circle. So you know that the pro circle is nothing but is a have a, you watch this here is a one diameter to up to 30 mm diameter should be make a hole. Okay, so here is a 1 2 3 is a diameter 1, diameter 2 up to 30 mm diameter should be done in the single pro circle. This is this pro circle is a big size of the pro circle. If when you bought small size means if you have a which one, so lowest circle will be there. So maximum is how many count is there? Is a 30 circle is there. Okay, but there is a 15 circle only there. Next one, here is a protector also is there. Okay, here is a divided by the angle is a 0 up to 90, 180, 270, then up to 360 degree will be find out easily. Then we go to the next one, the set squares. Okay, so two type of the set square is there. Okay, this is also to find out the angle line. This is also to draw the incline line also. Same thing for here also. Then is a helix curve. Okay, helix curve to make it for using this type of the set square using for to make a helix curve. Then next you go to the eraser. Eraser is nothing but to rough the unwanted lines or drawing. Everything should be rough it. That is using for that eraser. Then sharpener is nothing but if you when you draw the drawing, okay, initially when you draw the drawing, all pencil should be making sharp edges should be using for that make a drawing. Okay, you without sharp edges is not neatness for the drawing. Okay, that purpose to using this sharpener. Then now go to discuss about the pencil. Is a already I am telling to you is a three type of the pencil is there. Okay, you watch here is a three type of the pencil is a H, 2H, then HP. The H pencil where will be using for the H pencils when you complete the object, that places should be using for that H pencils. Okay, as the object line where will be completed, that places to using for the H pencil. Then 2H, where will be using for the 2H? 2H is nothing but when you draw the continuous thin line, projection line, dimension line or object line before the completion of the object line. After that center line, okay, everything should be done in that 2H pencil. Dash line also, that is meant by hidden line also should be done the 2H pencil. Next, there is a HP. HP is nothing but if you when you done the for lettering and numbering, when you complete the object, that object dimensioning and lettering or naming everything's given to that which one? HP pencil. So now we go to discuss about the drawing materials.